Garisiek pokol sisit nebo kibaraiten taonit nebo Kericho ole en komasta noton nebo Chilimo ole katoite tutenetan County Assembly nebo Kericho ole kamwa kole kakwautiet noton nebo kenyor imbaret kowendi kotoreti en tesetab tai nebo taonit nebo Kericho. Kamwa nebo ng'echeret en kamitit netelelchin imbarenik Ezron Kimweno kole miten komie tetutik tugul komie ako noton kobendi kotyokyin katiaknatet ak panganutik asikotestai tetutiet noton. Tetat ketech korik chechang chebo serikali en komasta nebo Chilimo cheu choton chebo Kenya Special Economic Zone, tetutik chebo affordable housing, agriculture showground, koboto boisionik chebo state lodge in kwenu nebo tetutik alak.
Right now, when the draft plan was sent to the county assembly for approval, that is now when we, as a committee, we went through the draft report. We make a draft of recommendation because we have not approved yet. Because on 2nd May, the CEC in charge of lands had to do a cassette notice to the members of the public for objection or for any memoranda over the fiscal plan. So the advert was running for 60 days, which is elapsing today on 1st of July 2024. So by today midnight, that is when the elapse of the objection report, any objection cassette notice. So if there is no any objection, if there is no any amendment, now the fiscal plan now as a green pill of health for the now county assembly to now go through it and approve in the floor of the house. After the approval of the house, it now gives life to the fiscal plan, and now it ceased to be a fiscal plan but rather become a fiscal plan for Chelimo. So after that, after the fiscal planning, the next step now is now for the surveyors from the national government to come and survey and demarcate the land as per the physical plan, so that it can show where the squatters will be settled, where the allotment will be settled, where the intended special economic zone will be allocated, which has been allocated, where the housing, affordable housing, will be settled. Among the things which were highlighted was again the issue of to do with the state lodge and